The straddle strategy is the best to profit in uncertain market environments. You can make money if the stock goes up or down. You don't have to pick direction. In this quick and powerful video, I'm going to show you how to step-by-step open a straddle strategy using Robinhood with an example. This is a highly profitable strategy where direction is not important. Let's jump into my portfolio and show you how to take advantage of volatility using the option straddle strategy. So here's my portfolio. I'm going to be opening up a straddle and show you step-by-step using NVIDIA. Here's NVIDIA stock, and as you can see here, NVIDIA has had a lot of volatility. The stock has gone down from over $100 per share under 90 and then all the way back up to over $110 per share. When you're in a volatile environment and you have a lot of uncertainty, instead of having to predict direction, you can just buy a long straddle option. Here's how you can open up a long straddle option. I'm going to go to trade NVIDIA options. Here is the option chain where I can pick a call option and a put option. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a call option. Now for a long straddle, you want to decide what you want to do in terms of expiration date. A short expiration date will be good for really uncertain times, such as a Trump tariff. A short expiration date can also be really good for earnings. If a stock is going to report earnings in a couple of days, buying a long straddle is also a very good idea if you don't know the direction, but you know there's going to be a big move. I'm actually going to do two examples. I'm going to show you a short expiration and a longer expiration and give you more of the benefits and the cons of each. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to do a 1 day to expiration straddle. The reason why you would want to do this, again, is if you're in a really uncertain, bumpy environment that's very choppy with lots of volatility. So I'm going to go buy call option and I'm going to buy the 112 here. The reason why I'm going to buy the 112 is it's right at the money. NVIDIA is currently trading for $111 per share, and if the stock moves up just a little bit, then this option is going to benefit. You can actually see here how the option has made 2,288% the last day. So this option went up 22 times. And of course, you can see that there can be a lot of money that you can earn here. So a straddle is buying one call option and then buying a put option. So right now I'm at buy a call option, which I just did right here. You can see that it's going to be $440. Now I'm going to go to buy put option. And the put option I'm going to buy is going to also have the same strike price. A straddle is buying a call and a put option at the same strike price for the same expiration date. Okay, so I'm going to buy put option and I'm going to buy the 112. As you can see here, I'm buying a call option and I'm buying a put option. One costs $440, the other costs $210. The total cost right now is $6.50, or a total cost of $650 since each option contract is 100 shares. Now, you can see here, here's the profit and loss chart. Now we're gonna zoom in here and I'm going to explain to you how this actually works. As you can see right now, we're in the red zone. This red zone means the stock either has to go down or it has to go up for us to make a profit. If the stock stays the same or it stands still or goes sideways, the straddle or the long straddle that you purchased is not going to work. It's going to be unprofitable. This strategy is really good for a volatile market environment where the stock makes a move. The direction is not that important. It can go up a lot or down a lot. Either way, you'd be equally happy with this strategy. So let's talk about the break-even points, because you need to understand when you can actually make money with this strategy. Well, with this example, if NVIDIA were to go under $105.67, then you would start making money. Actually, you can make a lot of money all the way until NVIDIA were to go to $0. Now, obviously, that's not going to happen, but if the stock went down to, let's say, $80, which again is also not likely, but this is an example that you can use anytime in the future. If it were to go down to 80, then you would have a profit of $80 and the break even of 105. Essentially, you would make the $25 in profit. Now your total cost here is $650. So turning $650 into 25 is basically 4 times your money in one single day. Now the same applies for the upside, except on the upside, you actually do have unlimited upside because the stock can go down to 0 and you can profit on the downside up until 0. Now on the upside, your break-even price is going to be 118. So if NVIDIA were to go to say $120, well, you would be right around here and you would have a profit of roughly $200, okay? Now, if the stock went up to like something like 130, 30, then you would have a profit of 130 minus your break even of 118, so that's $12, okay? You've paid $650, so you're going to be able to double your money and go from $650 to over $12. Again, you want to use the same strike, same expiration for both buying the call and the put. This strategy allows you to profit from volatility, and direction doesn't matter, which makes this strategy very powerful in a volatile environment. See, you're betting on a big move. You don't really care about the direction. It's like a boxer. You're betting on a knockout, and you don't really care who gets knocked out, but you are betting that a knockout will happen in a fight. And that's the same with this strategy. You are betting for the stock to either crash and have tons of just negative and bad pressure, or you're betting on the stock skyrocketing and rallying upwards. Now, there's a couple ways to manage this strategy. You can close out this strategy early. In this case, this is a one-day option, so you wouldn't want to really close out this trade early, but you can. If this option strategy made you, let's say, 30% or 50% on your money, it's a good time to close out this strategy. Oftentimes, when you're trading in a volatile market and you open up a very close expiration straddle, and this long straddle expires in one day, then within the day, it can have a very huge fluctuation. And you don't actually have to hit the break-even point to make money. In fact, let's say that you open up this position, and within a couple of minutes or 30 minutes, 1 hour, okay, NVIDIA stock just shoots up a little bit right around here. It can still be under the break-even point, but this position will gain a lot of value, because if it increases a lot or decreases a lot, it doesn't have to hit the break-even point for one option to gain a lot of value and the other option to lose some value but less than the gain. So again, the speed of movement is really more important for this strategy. If you make 30 to 50% on your money in a short amount of time, why not take profit and close out this position? Now, let me show you what this would look like if you were to open up a straddle that's going to be a little bit longer in terms of expiration date. So let me go out, say 2 weeks. So this option will expire in 15 days. Now, this is going to be a lot more expensive, but there are benefits as well. So again, I'm going to buy a call option. And this is very interesting. Let's say that you have a slight tilt to bullishness. You think the stock will go up, but you're really not sure. You think it still can make a really huge increase or a really big decrease. You can actually build in a bias for this strategy. So we can buy something like the 114, which is a little bit out of the money. And now I'm going to buy a put also at 114. This is going to be really interesting because now you can see that this straddle, this long straddle position, is a little bit lopsided, okay? It's a little bit lower than the break even right here. So this strategy right now would actually benefit more if NVIDIA were to go a little bit closer to the downside. To make money on the upside, this position would actually have to increase a little bit more. So you can actually play around with the strike price and have your own little bias of, do you think it's going to increase more? Is there a higher chance of increase, or is there a higher chance of decrease? But despite having a higher chance of decrease or increase, you're still betting on huge volatility, and you still think the stock is going to move tremendously in one direction. This long straddle right here costs $1,120. And the reason why it's more expensive is because during a 15-day period, more can happen. Now, the way to protect yourself with this strategy is you have to be aware that theta works against. Theta is time decay, and time decay will erode this option every single day. So you need this position to move fast, or you need to close it. If this video helped you understand straddles, I have a bigger and longer explanation with more examples in my free 4-hour course, which will show you this strategy as well as other strategies that will really benefit your option trading journey. It's 100% free, and I go over more strategies just like this one. You can see that video on the screen right now.